yeah, kind of plan on going up to Prairie du Chien area and do some trout fishing. Might camp at Bloody Run trout fishing tonight, and just need to get out and let the stink blow off. So, just driving and chatting with everybody, chatting with myself, talking to myself again. So I decided to camp tonight at Yellow River Park. I was going to go to Bloody Run, but it was closed. I just got done getting some firewood, so it's like $10 for a bundle thing, but put it in the back of the truck, and so now I'm headed off to hopefully find a decent campsite, get set up, get some trout fishing in before it gets dark, and then have a fire and cook up some food. So we'll see you later. Yellow River Forest is one of my favorite parks in Iowa. Driving into a little paint area, and we'll see if we can score us a halfway decent campsite. It is Sunday, so I expect that it won't be very busy. So I'm going to pull up here to the spot where you pay and grab a envelope and score. Of course, you're always gonna score a payment envelope. They're not gonna run out of those. Camp setup. Now that I got the wood out of here, I brought my awning, and I have a tent that hooks to my awning, my cot. I've got blankets, pillows, some beers and food, and other stuff, lights. So now I'll set up. my system for setting up my awning. I have these straps, place them over that. You just take a stake and you just push it in the ground. Then we'll get this other side here. Push it in, and if this is too tight, you just push this little button here and loosen it up a bit. Then you just grab these guys and pull them tight. Gives you a nice triangular hold down point that prevents the awning from blowing away. I got my straps from a gentleman I used to work with. He owns Motion Tech. I came up with this idea with him for straps for an awning, but his main business is selling strap enclosure for the back of your Jeep. They have hooks on them. Hang garbage bag, towel, lantern, anything you want. My new tent system that hooks up to the Quest awnings here just clips in. Then there's a hoop in the back, rain fly, and you just stake it out in the back. Home sweet home. Folding camping cot. Now that I kind of got my camp established, I'm going to run back down and I'll pay for my campsite, do some trout fishing, settle in. We're all set up. Well, I just walked down here with my fishing pole and fished down below here just a little bit for, oh, the last 15 minutes, 20 minutes. But yeah, I caught a nice little brown. And of course, I didn't have the camera on me at the time. It's not on video, it didn't happen, but I did catch a nice fish. So anyway, tomorrow I hope to maybe get some more fishing footage. So, but for right now, I think I better get the fire started. This is something a lot of people may not know. You can actually lift these up, and so when you're first building your fire, it's good to lift that up, let the air get in there. There she goes. Success. Well, it took a while, but I have made fire. It will make a good cooking fire here in a little bit. We're going to make some pizza rolls. So I'm Spotted Cow. And we'll see if it's any good or not. Made in Wisconsin. Not bad. You get some pizza roll action going. Combination. The pizza rolls are done. ready for evening. Have my pizza rolls. They are dangerous when you bite into them. It's like the inside squirt out and it's like molten fucking lava. But anyway, they were good. Then I have a couple of beers, have some fire tonight, go to bed here in a while, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Good morning. Well, I fished my way up to the upper end of Little Paint Trout Stream, and I could keep going, but it gets pretty rough after this. And the weeds are kind of wet this morning, and I don't really feel like getting wet. But I'm gonna head my way back to camp, and I had fun fishing up through here. Brings back some pretty good memories of when I was a kid. Used to come up here with my dad and brothers, and it was always fun. Well, I'm headed out of Yellow River, the Little Paint camping area. Heading back home. Had a good time. Caught some trout. The stock truck showed up just before I was leaving, so that's all right. I caught another trout. I always let them go anyway, unless I'm gonna be eating fish, so, which is a rarity. But yeah, heading out of the park, and One thing to remember when you come into Yellow River, when you get down in here, there's no cell service once you get down in here, so you just might as well turn your phone off because it's zero service, which is kind of nice. Get you away from all the social, you get to distance yourself from social media. So just cruising out of the park, and always a good time to come up here. A few people camping. Gotta sort some of my gear out. Still need to get a few things.